Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A53, and today I will show you how you can hard reset your device through settings. So to get started, obviously you will want to open up settings. From here, navigate all the way down to general management and then select reset. Choose factory data reset, which will bring up a list of things that this process will remove. As you can see, accounts and basically all the data right here. Now, if there is anything on your phone that you would like to keep that isn't stored in the cloud, so as an example, maybe your photos, videos, music, which a lot of people keep those in the cloud right now, but as an example, documents, maybe some downloaded files, stuff like that. Anything that you would like to keep that isn't stored, that isn't being stored on the cloud, you might want to back up. And once you have done so, you can then progress further. So scroll down and select reset. This will ask you for your screen lock. So for me, it is a pattern. Once you confirm it, you can then select delete all, and this will now confront me with a Samsung account, because apparently confirming that damn pattern isn't enough. For goodness sake, Samsung, why? Why do you... I don't understand this. Why would I be asked for a pattern if I need to confirm my password? Then F off with the pattern and just give me straight away the password. Finally. Only took me like 5 tries to get this correct. So once you confirm your password, it immediately turns off and begins the entire thing. So I'm gonna now let it run through and come back once it's finished. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.